Hi guys, welcome back with my news video. In this sharing, I'm gonna show you how to use the basics Microsoft Excel. And there are 3 points to release in this video. First, how to open file. Second, how to save file. And the last one, how to know the interface of the Microsoft Excel. Let's start to open Microsoft Excel in computer. First, click on box search. And tap Excel in the box. Next, click on File to open. And after, click on Blank Document. So this is the interface of the Microsoft Excel. How to save file in Microsoft Excel. First, click on File. Next, click Save As. Click Browse. Click the location that you want to keep in file. And after, enter the file name and click Save. Close file. So this is my file. I keep it on desktop. Next step, how to know about the interface of the Microsoft Excel. If I click on this, in Excel, we call tab. Home tab, Insert tab, or another tab. And next, you need to know about rows and columns in Microsoft Excel. If you click on this, it means that one column is selected, or I click on this, it means that I selected 2 columns. Anyway, I want to show you about rows. If I click on this, it means that 1 row is selected, or I select like this. It means that 3 rows are selected. Next, I want to show you about worksheet in Microsoft Excel. Worksheets are very important for me to divide it down or information in one sheet to one sheet. You can rename or protect your worksheet also. And one more, I want to show you about to divide the information. So for example, nowadays I have 2 class, control or manage in class. So the worksheet 1, I add the class A, and the next worksheet I got one more class is class B. So it means that the information about the student I divide to. That make me easy to find the student information. So this is the example. And the last one, I want to show you about zoom out and zoom in. If you click on zoom out, it means that to make the data is small. And if you click on zoom in, it make the text in cell is bigger.